So this time, I found the Cracker Barrel macaroni. There it is. Don't even want to read that, man. This is a one-time thing. Well, there you go. So, let's do it. Alright. Taste a little bite. Yeah, this sort of tastes similar as the other macaroni as well. I don't know if I were to give, this a rating, I would give Kraft's macaroni, just my years growing up eating it, what, like a 7. I mean, it's not like some holiday macaroni casserole or anything like that. It's, box of macaroni and cheese. I give Kraft's like a 7 and this a 7.5, maybe an 8. Nothing, It's very close, very similar to Kraft's macaroni, similar to taste. Honestly, probably just has a little bit more salt or whatever. But yeah, that's my review. That's my rating. Again, they seem very close to me. All the box macaronis in the store so far seem pretty cool. I haven't tried Annie's, but they seem pretty close so far. But yeah, so I'm watching episode 2 of season 2 of Gen V, right? The Boys spinoff, man. The Boys is one of my favorite shows on Amazon. So, yeah, The Boys has been like one of my favorite shows since NBC Heroes on TV. NBC Heroes is my favorite, live TV show of all time. Anyway, let me get to the episode. But yeah, that's the review. It's around a 7, between 7 and 8 in terms of box of macaroni food. Now, obviously, this is not like I can make macaroni better than this. This is not like macaroni casserole for like holidays or anything like that. But yeah, check that video out if you want to see it. I did make a macaroni casserole this year, last year, sometime, a few months ago. Anyway, that's all I have. Yeah, let me get to the episode. I'm also watching The Institute. Next episode will be episode 5 of The Institute. That's pretty good if you want to check that out. But thanks for watching. I'll see you.
Headshot.